Hello friends, welcome to Learning Tricks. In this video we will learn MS Office tips and tricks that many people don't know. Here is a complete blank document which we need to change. Let's add generic text to demonstrate different features. Just write RAND bracket start. For example, I want 4 paragraphs and each paragraph consists of 3 lines, bracket close. Just press enter. The first 4 means number of paragraphs, generic paragraphs, and 3 means number of lines in each paragraph. Just press enter. Now Word extracted the paragraph from its backend. This is a generic text. Now how to add in any specific word, alphabet or group of text for some formatting, underlining, bold, italic, size of the text. If we click here and want can provide, you want to color that this line, this and this. If we select this and drag this, the complete line will select, and if we press any formatting, the complete formatting applies on the lines selected. Here is a shortcut. For example, if we want video paste D2, we want this to make it bold. Just press Alt, select the text, for example this, we want color, yellow color, to highlight this. The only selected portion will be highlighted. We are also facing problem to delete this. To delete this, we need to press backspace and wait for the line that the word is completed or not completed. Just have a look how we can do this with quick or a shortcut. Just press Ctrl and backspace. See that complete words are deleting. We are using Ctrl plus backspace. Hope you like this trick as well. Now if we start a new paragraph and we don't want to start the paragraph from here, we wanted to start our paragraph from here, but for this many people need to press space bar again and again to come to the selected or required place. The easiest way is that, for example, we want to start paragraph from here. Just double click here, start learning. You can see that we started our paragraph where we are required. Many other tricks are available in MS Word, but these tricks are also useful. Use these tricks. Hope you like the video. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.